If you have opted to take the self-paced online training for AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials, please follow these steps. First of all, go to this URL. You will be redirected to this course page. Click on the sign in button to start your enrollment process. You will see this page when you click on sign in. Now click on this sign in button. You will be redirected to the Amazon sign in page. If you have already created an account on Amazon shopping website, you can use the same credentials to log in here. Otherwise, if you do not have an account on Amazon, create a new account by clicking on create your Amazon account. Fill in the required information and once done, sign in using your email and password. Once you sign in successfully, you will be redirected to this page. You need to click on the launch. Once you launch the course, it will open the course content in a new window. Make sure you have allowed the pop-ups in your browser. This page will be displayed. When you scroll down on this page, you will be able to see the course content like this. Click on each topic starting from Module 1 and you will be able to access the content. Complete the readings, videos and quiz of all the modules. Complete the final assessment. Complete the final survey. Once you have completed everything and the progress bar shows 100% complete status, you will be able to get the course completion certificate from AWS. Now that you have completed the Cloud Practitioner Essentials course, you have to follow these steps to get your certificate and submit on our portal. First of all, go to this URL. This page will be displayed. Click on the sign in button and sign in using your email and password. Click on My Account and select Transcript. Click on Archived. This section contains the courses that you have completed. Expand Cloud Practitioner Essentials and click on Completion Certificate. The certificate will be opened in a new tab and it will look like this. Take the screenshot of it or snip it using the snipping tool. For using the snipping tool, search by its name on your PC and open it like this. A dialog box will appear like this. Click on New and drag over the portion of the screen which you want to snip. Once you have snipped the certificate area using the snipping tool, it will appear like this. Click on File and then select Save As. Save it as an image with an appropriate name on your computer. Now on the portal, click on the Claim Now button. The following form will appear. After entering your details, click on the Choose File button. Select the certificate image that you saved earlier and click Open. Keep in mind that the name, email, phone number must match the data of your Future Skills Prime profile. Once the certificate is uploaded, click on Submit and that's it. Goal 2 will be completed.